Alright, for 209, connecting squares, we're going to continue what we started. This is 127 back at the beginning of October that we started with. This is where we started, alright, and then this week we've done the same pattern. Crossing that, we just mixed in the four colors, and then from there we used a variable and changed the links and made it staircase, and then today's assignment is figure out the right link that it takes to connect those staircases so that they look like this right here. So when your code is going to go, your guy's going to go up there and he is going to draw the code, and those staircases are going to connect. Remember, you want to be sure you're showing your code in there, and you don't want to have to be coding stuff. You want to be using loops. We should be adjusting the same code over and over again. We should be adjusting the same code to keep it easy on ourselves. So you see them connecting here, our final one. Now your robot may be doing it in a different order than I'm doing it, and that's fine. But make sure you're showing me the code that you're using to get this done. And you're showing the robot do the work. Here we go with our last one, completed. Excellent. Our timer's getting a little longer to record these.